Hello students, today our topic is meaning of sports and environment. Meaning means what is meant by a word or concept or action of expressing the relationship between a part and a whole. And sports and environment. The sports environment is the condition and circumstances in which sports persons perform or indulge in sports activity is called sports and environment. Sports come from the old French de sport meaning leisure with oldest definition in English from around 1300 being anything humans find amusing or entertaining. Sports means an activity involving physical exertions and skill in which individuals compete against another for entertainment. Comes mean happen or move. Old French the sport means an activity diversions requiring physical exertions and competitions. Leisure used free time for enjoyment. स्पोर्ट्स मीनिंग है मीन्स फ्री टाइम जो है वो आप अपनी मौज मस्ती में इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं विद ओल्डेस्ट डेफिनेशंस मीन्स हैविंग ए लाइव्ड फॉर ए लॉन्ग टाइम एक डेफिनेशन स्टेटमेंट है इंग्लिश में जो 1300 में दी गई है एनीथिंग्स ह्यूमन फाइंड अम्यूजिंग एनीथिंग मीन यूज टू इंडिकेट a range. Amusing means causing laughter and providing entertainment, or entertaining means the action of providing amusement or enjoyment is called entertaining. It is the surrounding around the field. Surrounding क्या होता है जो इर्द गिर्द चीज होती है means the things and conditions around a person is called surrounding. Around the field means around होता है every side of the play field. Play field means a playground for outdoor athletics activities is called play field. It consists of environment around the play field. It consists means made up of. Environment means the surrounding in which a animal or human being or a plant lives is called environment. Around means every side of the grounds. ग्राउंड्स होते हैं हिंदी में तो उसको बोलते हैं हम मैदान means the solid surface of the earth. Playfields means a playground for outdoor athletic activities. Stadium, sports ground with tiers of seats for spectators. Sports complex means a sports complex is a group of sports facilities. For example, there are track and field stadiums, football, baseball, swimming and indoor arenas is called sports complex. Health club means a private club with exercise facilities also offering health and beauty treatments is called health club. Indoor play fields means variety of structures formed of play or competitive physical activity typically carried out either in the home or in special constructed indoors is called indoor play fields. Indoor halls. Indoor halls means building used for sporting activities. Swimming pools means pool is structured designed to hold water activities is called swimming pools. Gymnasiums means a room or a building equipped for gymnastics games and other physical exercises is called gymnasium. Courts means a quadrangular area either open marked out for ball games such as tennis or squash is called courts. Parks and recreational parks. Means resources may be public spaces and facilities like parks, nature preserves, open space areas, green ways, trails and built structures for sport, recreation or arts programs. Playing full games and recreational activities. Sports environment re-energizes us with full enthusiasm and creativity. Motivates means provide reason for doing something. तो स्पोर्ट्स क्या है? वो कोई ना कोई उसमें रीजन है जिसमें हम कुछ करना चाहते हैं. Environment, sports environment re-energizes means re-energizes होता है means make fresh. Us with full enthusiasms means intense and eager enjoyment, interest or approval is called enthusiasms. And creativity means the use of ideas to create something, imaginations. It plays important role in child development. चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट के लिए भी ये एक महत्वपूर्ण जो है वो करेक्टर निभाता है. चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट मीन्स इन्वॉल्व्स बायोलॉजिकल, साइकोलॉजिकल एंड इमोशनल चेंजेस दैट अकर इन ह्यूमन बीइंग्स. स्पोर्ट्स इन्वायरमेंट इज द बेस ऑफ हेल्दी एंड पॉजिटिव इन्वायरमेंट. तो स्पोर्ट्स इन्वायरमेंट is the base होता है foundation and positive environment. Positive environment means a positive environment can also help to stimulate children and in fact make the children want to learn more. That is called a positive environment. This environment is safe means that environment should be protected from the danger. Clean means free from dirt. Healthy means in a good physical mental condition, in good health, as it has a balanced combinations. Balanced combinations means mentally and emotionally stable, of natural and man-made environment. Natural environments means all living species, climate, weather and natural resources that affect human survival and economic activity is called natural environment. Man-made environment means surrounding made by humans to provide facilities for satisfying human needs is called man-made environment. In modern time, its importance realized. Modern time means the circumstances and ideas of the present age is called modern time. Its importance means its significance realized means become fully aware, need, requirement of the sports environment in the society means the aggregate of people living together in a less ordered community is called society. It is best to develop sports environment at college. सबसे अच्छी बात है स्पोर्ट्स इन्वायरमेंट को स्कूल में डेवलप किया गया. स्कूल होते हैं एंड इंस्टीट्यूशंस फॉर एजुकेटिंग चिल्ड्रन. College means an education institution providing higher education, or near locality means close locations. Sports environment should have safe facilities. तो स्पोर्ट्स इन्वायरमेंट के लिए क्या चाहिए? सेफ मीन्स सुरक्षित जगह चाहिए. फैसिलिटीज मीन्स प्रोविजंस क्या क्या है. लाइक ड्रिंकिंग वाटर, लाइक मीन्स हैविंग द सेम करेक्टरिस्टिक्स. ड्रिंकिंग वाटर प्योर इनफ फॉर ड्रिंकिंग. Washrooms means a room with a washing and toilets facilities is called washrooms. Changing rooms means Change room is designated for changing one's clothes. Fire extinguishers and first aid. Fire extinguishers क्या होता है? A portable device that discharges a jet of gas to extinguish fire. And first aid means help given to a sick or injured persons until full medical treatment is available is called first aid. There should be a separate playing area for small kids. तो छोटे बच्चों के लिए जो है वो एक अलग स्थान होना चाहिए खेलों के लिए. स्मॉल किड्स मीन चाइल्ड इज बिटवीन 4 to 8 years of an age, then your child or small, that is called your child or small kids. Parking area means a lot of vehicles where cars are parked is called parking area. Nearby spectators means a persons who watches games or other event. Sitting away means continuous period of sitting from a particular place. For playing area means play area is a play field specifically designated to enable children to play there. It is typically outdoor games.